everyone. I really wanted to come online today and do a little makeup tutorial for you. It's just a really simple Valentine's Day soft glam. But before I start, I want to show you a package that I had delivered this week, and it's from a company called Bobou, and they make cruelty-free brushes. And look how cute it is. I haven't even opened it yet, so I'm going to do an unboxing here for you. The packaging that they've sent it in is super cute. So they've sent me the Velluto range. It says photo finish blending brush, shadow precision brush, and an angled smoky eye brush. This is the brush set here, so it comes in a really cute box. It also says on the back that the brushes are the next generation of makeup tools, derma fibre. It's the most advanced fibre technology compared to natural hair. I do prefer to use synthetic brushes. It says like natural hair but better, traction resistant surface, which means it's not going to drag. Shape memory behaviour, so when you clean your brushes they're going to go back into shape. No fibre shedding guarantee, because often with real hair brushes you do get a lot of shed. They're made in Italy, and their silky skin touch experience, 30% more hairs per surface unit, and they're dermatology test and hypoallergenic. So I'm really excited to try these out. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I'm a bit of a brush snob. I do tend to stick to the same brand of brushes, and I have done for over 7 years. So to try something new and compare it to what I already use is something that I've been wanting to do for a long time, but I have never found the brand that really lived up to the type of brush that I want to be using. Wow, this looks so cute. So here's the box, as I said, so you just slide them out. And then I've got a information card here which tells you all about the brushes. I will put some photos up of these as well. How cute are they? Oh my goodness. Wow. Now the brush handles are like velvet. Now this is something that really appealed to me when I looked at the Bobou brand. I have problems with my hands because of my disability, which means that after a while they will seize up. So I need a brush that is going to be lightweight, smooth and comfortable to hold. Nothing too chunky, or else I get trouble with my application. At first touch, this is the angled brush. How fine is that? Oh my goodness. I definitely think I'm going to be able to get some really precise wings with this. Now it feels so soft and incredibly lightweight as well. So this excites me. Let's have a look at the next brush. They almost look too pretty to take out of the box. So again, slightly bigger handle, but still incredibly lightweight. And again, look how fine that is. For detailed and precise work, this is going to be amazing. And let's have a look at this one. Wow, again, really lightweight brush, very nice and smooth. And look at the bristles on that. How packed are they? I mean, just look. They look amazing. Okay, I am really excited to try these out, so I'm going to do a little tutorial for you. As I said, it's going to be something nice and simple, so let's get started. The photo finish blending brush. Now I'm going to be using this shade right here, and the first thing I'm going to do is put this into my crease. I'm just going to build that up gradually. Now the brush is picking up the eyeshadow really easily. I'm only doing a small amount at a time, but it is making really light work of getting that packed on. So same now on the other eye. This is really nice as well because the shape of the brush means I can get right into my crease. So I'm just going to softly blend this out now using the same brush. So work this up towards my brow. Same on the other side. So I'm going to use exactly the same brush now, and I'm going to pick up a darker shade. So I'm going to go in with this brown colour. And we're going to put this on the outer corner. I'm just going to work that into the outer edge of that crease. Same on the other side. And I'm going to bring that brown shade underneath using exactly the same brush. Now I've got a trick for this. So what I do is I close my eye and I place my brush as close to my lower lash line as I can, and then I just sweep back and forth. And just connect that up with the outer edge. You see how quick and easy that is to do. And then just build that intensity up. Okay, so now I've moved on to the Bobou Shadow Precision Brush. So that's this really small, straight-edged, fine brush here. And I'm going to go in with this shade here. And because it's a nice flat brush, I'm going to use this to bring it up nice and close. Right into my inner corner. And I honestly think this would be a really, really good brush to use for carving out a crease. Just because it is really nice and tight. Just going back in with the Photo Finish blending brush and that brown shade. And I'm just going to build that up a little bit more. Just on the edge, just to blend those shadows together slightly. Back in with our first shade using the same brush. And just deepen up that socket a little bit. So just going back in with the shadow precision brush and that shimmery shade here. I'm just gonna go around my crease and just stamp that on. Very precisely, so I get that really nice angled shape into my socket. So lastly, I'm taking the angled smoky eye brush and some brown gel liner, and I'm going to create a very small wing. Wow, this is going on so easy with this brush. It is just stamping that product on so smoothly. So I'm just going to bring that across, following my lash line. Oh wow, that's so cool. That was quite effortless actually with this brush, and doing winged liner is definitely something I usually struggle with because of the angles I've got to hold the brushes and just how my hands work. I'm going to do that on the other eye. Okay, so using the same brush, I'm now going in with that brown shade again, and we're just going to press that on top just to set the gel. Now what I am going to do is use that same brush and the same brown eyeshadow, and I'm just going to smoke that out slightly just to soften the top edge. So all that's left now is for me to put some mascara on. So there we go, this is the finished look. I'd just like to say a real big thank you to Bobou Beauty for sending me these amazing brushes. At first try, they are incredible. I'm really happy with the results and how quickly I was able to do this look using just these 3 brushes. This is amazing. So yeah, if you'd like to check out more of the Bobou range, please visit their Instagram page. They've ever so kindly given me a discount code for you all as well, so it is Leanne 10%. I will leave all the details in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. If you do recreate this look, let me know. Thanks, bye.